Ever had that itchy, prickly feeling on your skin during a hot summer day? You might have experienced a heat rash. Heat rash, also called prickly heat or miliaria, is a common skin condition that can make you feel like you're being pricked by tiny needles. Imagine this. It's a scorching hot day and you're sweating profusely. But instead of evaporating and cooling you down, the sweat gets trapped. Why? Because your sweat glands and ducts become blocked, preventing the sweat from reaching the surface of your skin. So where does all this sweat go? It flows back into your skin, causing inflammation and giving rise to a rash that's red, itchy, and, well, prickly. There are different types of heat rash, each with their unique characteristics. You have miliaria crystallina, where the sweat gets trapped in the very top layer of your skin, causing tiny clear blisters that feel like beads of sweat. Then there's miliaria rubra, where the sweat gets trapped a little deeper, resulting in red bumps and a lot of itching. And let's not forget miliaria profunda, a more severe form, where the sweat gets trapped in the deeper layers of your skin, causing larger, firm bumps. Various factors can contribute to the development of heat rash. Hot weather is an obvious one, but it's not the only culprit. Wearing tight clothing that doesn't allow your skin to breathe can also be a contributing factor. And if you're someone who sweats a lot, whether due to exercise, stress, or a medical condition, you're at a higher risk of developing heat rash. So, it's not just about the heat, but also about how our body reacts to it. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the science behind heat rash. Now, you might be wondering what exactly happens in our body when a heat rash occurs. Well, let's discuss the science behind it all. First, it's essential to understand that our bodies have a built-in cooling system. When we get hot, whether it's from the weather or physical activity, our bodies respond by producing sweat. This sweat then evaporates from the skin surface, cooling us down in the process. However, when something disrupts this cooling system, things can go awry, leading to conditions like heat rash. So how does a heat rash occur? It all starts with the sweat glands. You see, these glands are spread throughout our skin and are responsible for producing sweat. But during hot weather or intense physical activity, they can go into overdrive, producing more sweat than the skin can handle. Now, here's where the problem starts. This excess sweat can lead to the blockage of sweat ducts, the tiny channels that transport sweat from the glands to the skin surface. When these ducts get blocked, the sweat has nowhere to go. As a result, it starts to seep back into the skin. Once sweat starts flowing back into the skin, our body perceives it as a foreign substance. This triggers an inflammatory response, leading to the red, itchy rash that we associate with heat rash. This rash, also known as prickly heat or miliaria, is the body's way of telling us that something is wrong. But wait, there's more. In addition to the inflammation, the blocked sweat ducts can also cause the skin to feel prickly or itchy. This is because the trapped sweat can irritate the skin, leading to these uncomfortable sensations. It's a complex process, isn't it? But understanding it can help us deal with heat rash more effectively. So next time you're dealing with a heat rash, remember the science behind it. It's not just a simple rash, but a sign that your body's natural cooling system has been disrupted. And with the right knowledge and treatment, you can get it back on track in no time. So, you've got a heat rash. What's next? How long does it take to get rid of it? Well, the answer isn't a one-size-fits-all. The recovery time frame for heat rash can vary greatly, depending on several factors. First, the severity of the rash plays a significant role. A mild rash might disappear on its own within a few hours to a couple of days, while a more severe case could take several days or even weeks to fully resolve. Second, your overall health can influence the healing process. A strong immune system can speed up recovery, while certain health conditions or medications might slow it down. Third, the effectiveness of the treatment used is also a key factor. If you're using an over-the-counter cream or lotion, for instance, you may see improvement within a few days. If you're using natural remedies, it might take a little longer, but these methods can be gentler on your skin and help prevent future outbreaks. One crucial point to remember is the importance of staying cool and dry. Heat rash occurs when sweat glands become blocked and sweat flows back into the skin, causing inflammation and itching. By avoiding further sweating, you're helping your skin heal and preventing the condition from worsening. So, seek out a cool environment, wear loose, breathable clothing, and avoid strenuous activity that could cause excessive sweating. And let's not forget, hydration is key. Drink plenty of fluids to keep your body cool and promote skin health. Lastly, remember that patience is key in dealing with heat rash. It may be frustrating to wait for the rash to disappear, but rushing the process or using harsh treatments can do more harm than good. So the bottom line is, heat rash can be a nuisance, but it's usually not a serious condition. With proper care and treatment, most cases resolve fairly quickly. Patience is key, but with the right approach, you can certainly speed up the process. While there's no instant cure, there are some natural remedies that can provide relief. Let's talk about some of these home remedies that can soothe your skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. First up, we have boric acid powder. Known for its antifungal and antiseptic properties, it helps in reducing the itching and inflammation associated with heat rash. Simply make a paste by mixing it with water and apply it to the affected area. Next is menthol, extracted from peppermint oil, and provides instant relief from the burning sensation. You'll find menthol in many over-the-counter creams and ointments. Just apply a thin layer and let the cooling begin. Chamomile, a beloved herbal remedy, comes next. It's renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Try brewing a chamomile tea, let it cool, and then apply it to your rash using a clean cloth. Marigold is another flower with healing powers. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the skin and speed up the healing process. You can make a marigold paste at home and apply it directly to your rash. Camphor oil is an excellent remedy for heat rash. It has a cooling effect that soothes the skin and reduces itching. A gentle massage with a few drops of this oil can do wonders. Coconut oil, a household staple, is also a great remedy. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties can help prevent infection, while its moisturizing effect can soothe dry, inflamed skin. Cucumber juice is a refreshing remedy. Its cooling effect can help soothe the skin, while its vitamin C content can promote healing. Blend a cucumber, extract the juice, and apply it to your rash. Oatmeal baths are a common home remedy for relieving symptoms like itching and rashes. Research has shown oatmeal baths can have potent anti-inflammatory, anti-itch, and antioxidant benefits for the skin. You can also make a paste with oatmeal and water and apply it to your skin. Mix 1 part oatmeal to 1 part water and mix until it forms a paste. Lastly, we have onion juice. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it can help reduce the swelling and redness associated with heat rash. Simply juice an onion and apply it to the affected area. Remember, these remedies can help, but they're not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional if your symptoms persist or worsen. We've talked a lot about heat rash today, but remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you're dealing with a persistent or severe rash. We've journeyed through understanding what heat rash is, how it occurs, and the natural remedies that can provide relief. We've learned that heat rash, or prickly heat, is a skin condition that arises when sweat ducts become blocked, causing sweat to flow back into the skin, resulting in a red, itchy rash. It's crucial to remember that factors like hot weather, tight clothing, and excessive sweating can contribute to its development. We've also explored the science behind heat rash, learning that each body reacts differently to heat and treatments. It's a unique process that happens in our bodies, and it's essential to understand it to effectively treat and prevent it. We've also explored various natural remedies, from boric acid powder and menthol from peppermint oil to chamomile, marigold, camphor oil, coconut oil, cucumber juice, oatmeal paste, and onion juice. These remedies can offer relief, but it's key to remember that everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's always a good idea to consult a naturopathic holistic doctor or healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment. Finally, we've discussed how long it generally takes to get rid of heat rash. While it usually resolves on its own in a few days, if symptoms persist, it's important to seek medical attention to prevent complications. We hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more helpful content. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.